Hey, it's Steve from the Cryptozoology Paranormal Museum road trip. Basically, we're going to be doing a paranormal investigation in this creepy hotel. It's got some stories to this room. I'm not showing too much right now because we have a creepy doll. Miss Beasley's been on the road. We want someone to help find where we are with Miss Beasley. And if you show up here, you get to win a mug. You have these shiny mugs. So the first person to come by, it's pretty easy to find us. If you can figure out where we are, we have the vehicle outside all lettered up. Just give us a knock and you get a mug. But we're going to be doing some more traveling, keep this going. We're just having a little fun with this now, bringing the doll on the road. There will be a serious investigation later in here. I'm already setting up equipment at this point. But see if you can find us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We appreciate it. Trying to lighten things up a little bit with all this, everyone being stuck inside with this virus. And we'll continue doing this. Any ideas of places you think we should go, please let us know. I'll see you soon.